Today I will tell you about 3 tricks of psychology which work 100% on everyone. At first, destroying earworms. Ever had a song stuck inside your head? I know you have. The melody just keeps replaying over and over inside your mind. But you can't quite seem to remember which song it is. And while you can't remember, you keep trying to remember. Which leads to you wasting a huge amount of time trying to remember the name of something incredibly pointless. Well, here's the common psychology trick you have been waiting your entire life to hear. Think of the end of the song. Not the beginning, or the middle. The end. Your mind will continue to think of things that are unfinished or incomplete, according to the Zeigarnik effect. Therefore, if you think of the end of the melody, the song will be complete and your mind will reset. This will release the song from your mind, so you can get back to focusing on something productive. Always agreeable. Want people to agree with what you saying. All you have to do is start nodding whilst you are saying the thing you want the person to agree with. The nodding action makes the person start to believe what you are saying is actually true. And therefore they will most likely begin to nod as well and agree with you. This can work in certain situations where you might need to make a good impression on someone. But don't get greedy. This won't work on everyone. Conversation conditioning. I am not sure how much use this trick is compared to the many other simple psychology tricks on this list. However, it could be fun to try. When you are having a one-on-one conversation with somebody, pick a word that they say a few times. Then, as they say the word, give them a positive affirmation. A smile, a nod, whatever it may be. As long as they recognize your action as a positive one, they will begin to use the word all the time. The effectiveness of this trick will usually depend on how much of an interest the person has in you.